Right, a wee update on the Honda CRF450. It's ages since I worked on this. So I bought this back August 22. So right, I've had to get new wheels for it. Well, second-hand wheels off eBay because the front one, I've no idea what that was off it. But that's the right wheel on it now. Good back wheel, cracking tyres. I was just putting the chain on just to make sure that chain guide's lining up. I've got I'm waiting on parts for customers' bikes, so I'm back onto this. I've started back on the engine rebuild. This has been lying for months, so it's like a big jigsaw. I've got one of the main bearings in, get that in, so right, I'm getting there with the rebuilt engine, CRF450, got that in, new bearings in there, so I thought this was quite a good crank. Hey, I'm wrong. I thought I'd get a bit of pre-lube before I put it in, and I can see the oil coming out there. There's metal flakes, so that's not getting fitted. No way. So it's either a new conrod or a complete new crankshaft. So that's another hold up.